Force. Push and pull. A video by Ace the Science Beast. What is force? A force is a push or pull that makes things move or stop. Force has a size and a direction. Imagine force as a big arrow. How big it is shows how strong it is, and which way it points tells you the direction it wants to go. Push, push, push it away. That's the magic of force. Pushing moves things away from you or away from the direction of that force. Push your friend on the swing. The more oomph you give, the higher and faster they fly. If you give a halfway push, they won't go too far. Skip the push altogether, and they'll get pretty grumpy about it. Push. Pushing a car requires force to overcome static friction and set it in motion. Pushing a wheelbarrow requires force to move it and its load across the surface. Pushing a shopping cart involves overcoming friction and accelerating it in the desired direction. Pull. A pull is a force that brings something towards you or moves it in the opposite direction. It's when you use some oomph to make things move your way. When you play tug of war, the mightier your pulling power, the better chance the other team will wobble and maybe take a tumble. Pull. Pulling a slice of pizza from the whole pizza involves overcoming the adhesive forces between the melted cheese and the rest of the pizza. Pulling a sled, especially when it's loaded, involves exerting force to move it across snow or ice. Pulling a fishing rod involves exerting force to reel in the fishing line and catch a fish. Think about it. When you make a paper plane zoom, what force helps? Does it matter how much power you put into the throw? How does force make the paper plane fly cool? In reality, give your paper plane a strong push to make it soar. The more power you use, the faster and farther it will zoom. Having fun with your paper plane? Try tossing it in new ways. Change how you push, angle, direction, or speed, because each one makes your plane dance in a special way. In the world of forces, we've explored the power of push and pull. Forces are all around us, shaping our world and making things happen. Whether you're pushing forward or pulling ahead, the force is with you. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let the science of motion continue to amaze you. Like, share, subscribe. May the force be with you. This has been an Ace the Science Beast production.